Welcome to this quick video on a 3D printed aquarium. So this is designed as a accompaniment to a Christmas present because my son wanted the Megaquarium computer game which we've bought off Steam, and unfortunately nowadays if you buy a game from Steam you just get a download code and an email saying here it is, and not much to open on Christmas Day as this was intended. So made this 3D sort of a game in itself, in that each of the parts are made up individually, as you'll soon see, starting with the tray, adding some labels, some tanks, fish, adding people, and they're all movable, so you can almost create a virtual, real 3D printed version of the game. So all the files are available to download. If you go to www.penguintutor.com, there's links to all the files, and it's also available on Thingiverse, or follow the links below in the video. Thank you.